Did you know that loads and loads of cloud-based applications can accept incoming webhooks?
Welcome to Quickbase Junkie. I help Quickbase builders learn fast to deliver more.
It's true. All you need to do is check the developer references. And in fact, you can send outgoing webhooks from Quickbase. You know what that means? That means there's a destination in that other app you can send your Quickbase information to. How cool is that? All you need to know is the format to send it in. That's where cracking the webhook code comes into play. I've got a course called Cracking the Webhook Code that's built specific to a Slack webhook example where we're sending information from Quickbase into a Slack channel for teams to use and reference. And while this is built around this specific example, webhooks can be used in a great number of ways. If you'd like to get some more information on cracking the webhook code for Slack notifications, head over to quickbasejunkie.com/training.